Hey everybody, how you all doing? Are you hey okay in the neck of the woods? Pleasant here Christmas Eve, New Year's Eve to you from the Jamaican cooking journey. This is a New Year's message, but I'm doing it on New Year's Eve for it to reach to you on you. A matter of fact, some places it is New Year's already. So those of you who are in the new year already, especially like England and places like those, Happy New Year. From me and my Jamaican family, or from my Jamaican family and I, that is how our English goes. But probably your one might be whatever. So Happy New Year's to you and your family from my Jamaican family and myself. From my Jamaican kitchen to your kitchen, wherever you are. Now, on a whole, I want to take this opportunity to say thank you for your support throughout 2019. Thank you for the love. Thank you for reaching out. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you for clicking on my videos. Thank you for inspiring comments. Thank you also for not so inspiring comments, because they all put together to make this thing. You know, and I don't know how much you have achieved during this year, but I feel in myself that all that I wanted to put out, all the content that I had to put out on the Jamaican cooking journey, I was really, yes, I got stopped along the way. You saw that water problem that I have for months and months and months. It's still not back to normal, but that has sort of marred things. Videos that I wanted to do, videos that you keep asking for, and they're long overdue. My whole schedule, my brain mess up. Remember, me old, me not young, you know. So I think that I probably could have done more, but I want to say thank you for still embracing what I did put out. When I look back at my, my YouTube record and stuff, I realized that I posted so less this year. And I have 2 channels. And let me tell you right now, or let me ask you right now, please and thank you, to go subscribe to my other channel if you so desire, please and thanks. I've got another channel in case you're new here and you don't know. I am a Caribbean woman, a Jamaican woman specifically at large. On that channel, I take you, through my daily life sometimes. I don't post a lot either. I am back on posting, but we're moving forward. Show you places, other little things, how we do things around Jamaica. Some people want to come. And also, we'll be going more in depth. But you might want to tune into my New Year's message for that channel. So you might want to go over to subscribe. I'll have another New Year's message over there for you. It's another channel, and that we do things different. So I always do different stuff. What I do here, I don't do there. What I do there, I don't do here. Vice versa. So I was saying that I want to thank you for embracing what I did put out, although I did not put out as I wanted to. We're going to make up for it it's a new decade we're starting. Yes, I think so. If I'm right, please, if I'm not right, yes. So we're moving into a new decade, and we want to move in with a lot of difference on the Jamaican cooking journey. I have so much things that I want to do different. I want to take you along some different, like saying we want to do complete meals. I want to do videos showing you how to do complete meals. Some of them might be a little lengthy at times, and then we might put them in parts. I'm not gonna go jump cut. I'm not gonna go that thing there, speed up, whatever that video is, time lapse, whatever. I want to take you in. There are people here that need certain things. I was talking to somebody the other day, and the person was diabetic, And they were saying that they can't. I was saying to the person, you need to keep away from a lot of sugar. And the person was saying, but Miss Debbie, she called me Sister Debbie. She said, Sister Debbie, me no know how to drink me drinks without the sugar. Yes, I know. We want to go there. We want to bring people, more people in. Show you how you can prepare meals, eat and feel comfortable, and you don't have to panic, say, Lord, me did eat this because that. We want to go a little bit more in depth. So therefore, I hope you'll stay on board with me. I hope you will subscribe, those of you out there that have been watching and you have not yet subscribed. I want to ask you or to implore you to subscribe. When you subscribe, remember to hit the bell. When you hit the bell, leave a comment below for me. Something that makes sense, something that has some form of principle approach to it. Therefore, I can reply. I'm a woman that deals with a lot of principle. In discipline and disrespect, I don't really go for. Leave me a comment. It doesn't matter. If it is something that I do that you don't agree with, you can always leave me a comment that is not mean so I can reply to you. And I would never reply to you in a mean way either. So I want to say thank you. Thank you, even though I've not posted enough. Thank you for staying there with me. Also, there are some people that have reached out to me, mostly from Canada. I love you all. I want to say thank you overall. Those people have chosen to go beyond YouTube and to reach out to me in a more family way. They wanted to do that. They reached out to me and they said, Debbie, can I? And I really did accept it. I needed it because I'm not sure if you're on the Jamaican cooking journey. No, I've struggled with biological family all my life. So whoever reaches out to me in a real and true way, I want to know some a real true girl, you know, I'll accept real true. Also, I'm coming back to those names. I want to call a few names. We want to get our eat, meet, and greet done this coming year 2020 by faith and by works too. Faith without works is dead. Yes, I think it's time for me to meet up with some of you all now, the real true ones. We will be making, I can get the help of Kimmy now because I know college is over, to help me with you know, preparation, making decisions, and also some of you who will link together. Yes, 2020, our goal for 2020 is to have our very first eat, meet, and greet, calling all from all over the world and my fellow Jamaicans. That is a big project, but where I am prepared with the help of you to get it off, and then from there we want to do it every year. We're going to be definitely working on that as soon as the bell hit midnight 2020. We'll be working on that. So I implore you all to come on board. We'll be needing some help and all of that. We'll speak more on that. Now I want to say thank you. And these people that I'm going to be calling, all this first set of people, they're all from Canada. I want to say thank you to Margaret Smith. She started this. I want to say a big thank you to Diana O. She's a white girl. Diana, big up yourself. Margaret. I want to say thank you to Tamika Samuels. There are others, but I just can't. They just say, Miss Debbie, just keep it low. I don't want my name calling. Thank you. You know yourselves. So many people. I want to say thanks to Miss Fluffy and her mom. Yes, there are a lot more. I don't remember them. And I'm just going to keep it short and real. I want to skip on over to America. And I want to say a big thank you to Georgia and her husband Grace and her husband Bill. I want to say thank you to Les Forever, formerly Les Forever. She's now Forever Lovely. Les and family, big up yourself. I want to say thank you to Carla. I think it's Carla. I don't remember. Carla, you know yourself. She's a nurse. Carla, big up yourself. Carla, always up on the live. I want to say thank you to Donna Fisher. I want to say thank you to my little friend in Orlando, Dawn. Big up yourself, Dan. And there are a few more. Marco, big up yourself. Tony, big up yourself. How could I forget you, Tony and wife? Is it Kima? Laverne, large up, you and your daughters. There are just a few people that have reached out. Overall, I don't know, some love and like cook food. Some of you don't know your names. We just talk in the comment section. But those are people that we talk on a daily basis. Kelate, manners and respect. Kenisha, Jamaica. You understand? Michelle Carr, down a country there. Manners and respect. How could I forget my sister Merle in Barbados? Merle, large up, pick up yourself. There's so many. So many that are, different. They just reach out to me different. I love you all. And if you'd like to reach out to me, I am a woman. I don't keep up. You don't know me already. All my information will be in the description. My email, my Instagram, and all of that. So if you want to reach out to me in a decent way, I am open. Thank you for the love. Thank you for the support. Open your hearts, open your eyes, your ears to what we have got coming for the 2020. I hope you and your family had a blessed year. And I hope for you too for the coming year. You and your family members will go into the 2020 with a bang, with love, with faith. If there are any differences, that you will settle it by midnight tonight and you'll go in. Cook with love, eat with love, and remember, for the 2020, do you, be you, and love you. Debbie from Dongayard, bless, no stress.